Milo the Slow Turtle, a rhyming story about kindness, patience, and helping others. By Allie Mae. Milo the Kind Turtle. I'm Milo. Milo the Turtle was gentle and slow. He waddled, not rushed, wherever he'd go. While others zoomed past in a hurry all day, Milo smiled wide and waved anyway. Rabbit went hopping. Zoom, zoom, zip! He tripped on a rock. Oh no, lost his grip. Milo crept over, steady and true. I'll help you up, friend. That's what turtles do. A little bluebird sat stuck in the rain. Her wings felt sore, and she chirped in pain. Milo had leaves to keep her dry, and stayed with her till clouds passed by. Squirrel dropped acorns. Plop, plop, fling. Oh dear, he cried. I can't even think. Milo picked them up one by one. Slow help was still help, and kindness is fun. Bear's tummy rumbled, grumble, grumble, groan. He forgot his lunch way back at home. Milo shared berries, juicy and sweet. Kindness tastes best when friends all eat. Frogs went splish, frogs went splash. They laughed at Milo moving so slow, so slow, so slow. But Milo just chuckled and smiled right back. Kind hearts don't mind a giggle attack. One day the bridge went crackety crack. Animals panicked. We can't go back. Milo stayed calm and thought it through. Slow thinking helped find what to do. Now animals help both fast and slow. They learned from Milo. Kindness spread like a happy tune, from morning light till twinkly moon. Milo the turtle never did race, but kindness made him #1. Slow can be strong, gentle is cool, and kindness, dear friend, is the best rule. Milo curled up where the fireflies gleam. The forest grew quiet, as soft as a dream. Stars twinkled above with a silvery glow. "Good night, kind world," whispered Milo. The end?